Hello students, here we are going to start a second exercise from the statistics. Now I am going to explain two problems. Number one, here first given as ungrouped data. 30 students, blood groups are like this. Blood group generally denoted with the alphabet A, B, O, A, B, like some types are there. So the question is, what is the most common blood group and what is the rarest? So if you start counting, you can do it, but we will form a table and we can complete this work. Now, blood group A is there and B is there, AB is there and O is there. Only four types of blood groups are here, and we are going to tally number of students. Now just tally like marking 1A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 you can write down. So likewise B also you can calculate, AB also you can calculate, and O also you can calculate. Now here we have the number of students of blood group A or 9, blood group B or 6, blood group AB or 3, and O is 12. So what is the most common? 12. And what is the rarest? AB. Therefore this is the answer according to the textbook. Now let us see second question. Now 40 engineers are there. They are going to their factory from their home. So the distances from their home to the factory, or one engineer can travel 5 kilometers to reach the factory from home, and one engineer has to travel 3 kilometers, and one 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers, 11, 30, 7, etc. Here 40 numbers are here. Now actually the question is, required is class interval should be taken as 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. So what type of class interval it is, whether it is a discrete or continuous? Okay, it's a continuous class interval. Now we have to take like that, it is required from the question. Therefore distances in kilometers, 0 to 5, 0 won't be there because 0 itself is the factory. Okay, now 0 to 5, therefore 0 is the lower limit, and what could be the upper limit? Upper limit could be 5, but we should take up to 4 only. Again the lower limit is 5, we can take up to 9 only. So 10 to 15, 20, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Now 0 to 5. Now when the 5 comes, where we have to mark? In first class or second class? This 0 to 5 is called the size of the class. Remember, this is called the size of the class. We can make 10, we can make 5. So according to the question, now they are asking 5, that's what we have taken like that. Now the 5 kilometers, where you have to note it down? 5 kilometers, here you have to note it, or here you have to note it? So here you cannot take 5, because you cannot take 5 in two places, so that the data will be wrong. Actually they are given 40, you can cross more than 40. Therefore you have to take up to 4 here. Therefore when the 5 comes, you have to note it here. So 3 comes, you have to note it here, and 10 comes, you have to note it here, and 20 comes, you have to note it here, and 25 comes, you have to note it here, and 11 comes, you have to note it here. So likewise, if you mark them, complete all the 40, then count it. Five engineers, they are very near to the factory. 5 engineers, they are very near to the factory, and 11 engineers are just a little away from the factory, 5 to 10 kilometers, maybe 5 kilometers, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11 engineers 10 to 15, and 9 engineers 15 to 20. So one engineer here, they are about 20 kilometers, and another engineer is about 25 kilometers. They are coming from long distance to the factory, and only 2 engineers, they are coming very far from their homes to the factory. So if you calculate, if you find the total, you should get the 40, and the data is given as 40. The both must be tallied. Okay, that's all for this second question.